In other words, the whole mirror idea is itself a problem. Because once you imagine a mirror, you've already invented three things: a self that polishes, a mirror that can be polished, and dust that needs to be removed. Congratulations. You've built a dualistic hamster wheel that you may end up running on forever. And here's the kicker. You're often convinced that wiping is working. But the harder you try to clear away thoughts, the more thoughts you create about clearing them away. You end up polishing your polishing. It's spiritual busy work, trying to solve a problem that you just created. So what's Zen's alternative? Sit. Just sit. When thoughts come up, don't immediately grab a rag.